This is 3-5. We're going to calculate and identify the slope using a graph, table, and equation. Number 10, we're going to calculate the slope. So A and B is on a graph, C and D is on a chart, and E and F are points. Please understand you can convert between any of these and use the different strategies, okay? So from the graph, I'm just going to do the change in the vertical divided by the change in the horizontal. So let's see how much this went up. So it went up 1, 2, 3, up 3. Then it went across 1, 2, so 3 to the right. So here we write the slope. So M is the slope. It is going to be 3 divided by, up 3. That's not right. That's up to the right 2. So up 3 and to the right 2. Okay, that's the slope for A. All right. Okay, let's do the next one for B. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we went down 5. And then we went over 1, 2, 3, 3 to the right. Okay, so we write M for the slope is going to be equal to, the top is the vertical or the change of Y, and it is down, so it's -5, and it's to the right 3, so we put a 3 here. Okay, so there you go. Let's do the next one. Okay, so we're going to see how it changes from 20 to 4. It looks like that is going to be a -6, and then from the X, it is going to be a +3. Okay, so please understand this arrow means change. Okay, the arrow means change. All right, so we have to just write M is equal to, here it is -6 divided by a 3. Please understand this can be simplified into -2 over 1, because you can divide by 3 to both of them. Okay, so there you go. Let's do the next one. This arrow means change, so this is +0. From 2 to 2 it's +0, and then from -1 to 1, that is a +2. So here we write M is equal to +0, and then a +2 here. Okay, 0 divided by 2 is just 0, so that's the slope here. All right. Okay, so here you can use the arrows for the change. Here we draw it, and we can use the change here. So for the points now, okay, for the points we're gonna use the equation. Okay, so let me draw it for you. So this is the first point, so that's going to be x1, and this is going to be y1, and this is the second point, so this is x2, y2. Okay, the equation is so the slope is defined as the change, or the second y minus the first y. That's going to be divided by your x2 minus x1. Okay, so here's the formula. All I have to do here is copy down the formula and just plug in the numbers. Okay, so what was my y2? That was 7. So that was in blue, sorry. And what is my y1? That is a 5. Okay, what is my x2? That is a 2. And what is my y1? That is a 0. Okay, this is going to be, what's 7 minus 5? That is a 2. And what is a 2 minus 0? That is a 2. So this can be simplified into 1. Okay, now there's another way, easier way to do this, because I know some of you like the chart method. So let me make the chart for you. Okay, x and y. Okay, so this is 0, 5, and this is 2, 7. Okay, look, how do you go from 5 to 7? Well, this is what? +2. How do you go from 0 to 2? Well, this is plus 2. So m is equal to what? There you go. 2 divided by 2. And what is that equal to? 1. Right? You see, you could always use the chart or you can use the equation. Up to you. Right? Okay, let's do this one. Let me label it for you. This is the first point, so this is x1. This is the second. This is the first y, so this is y1. Okay, this is x2, and this is going to be y2. Okay, and let's see. Do we have the formula? Yeah, here's the formula from before. Okay, here's the formula. We're just going to erase things and fill it in. So y2, it is negative 20. And y1 is 4. And x2, which is 5. And y1, it is minus 10. Okay. So how do we do this? Let's see. All right. Negative 20 minus 4, it is negative 24 divided by, what is 5 minus negative 10? That is an addition, so that is 15. Okay. You won't believe me until I make the chart. Hold on, let me show you in the chart. Okay, here's the first one. Negative 10, 4, 5, negative 20. Okay, so how do you go from 4 to negative 20? Well, you have to minus 24. How do you go from negative 10 to 5? Well, you have to add 15. Okay, so take a look. The slope is still the same. It is still negative 24 divided by 15. Right? So you could either see it in the chart or as the equation. Okay? So there you go. These are all the possible ways I can ask you to calculate slope.